Can a gear work with just one single tooth? Yes, but the math behind it will trick your intuition. Take a look at this mechanism. The red driving gear is designed to hold 40 teeth, but 39 have been removed. It only has one left. It drives a blue gear with exactly 20 teeth. So when the red gear makes one full rotation, how far does the blue gear turn? Your instinct probably says 1 out of 20, or a 1/20th revolution. But that is wrong. It actually rotates 3/20ths of a revolution. Why? Because the single tooth stays engaged through the entire arc of approach and recess, physically sweeping past 3 tooth spaces before finally disengaging. Simulating that exact engagement arc is an incredible CAD challenge. What 3D software are you designing in today? Tell me in the comments.